This week I'm testing the BMW i3S. It's a carbon fibre, fully electric four-seater car, and these are my top 3 family-friendly baby drive features. Number 1 is not only is this car fully electric, but it's also made of sustainably sourced natural materials, like the beautiful eucalyptus wood on the dash and the doors, and the wool in the seats. So not only are you not polluting the world by having an electric car, but you're also creating a better future for them with what it's made from as well. Number 2 is in the back here. It's really nice and easy to install the 2 child seats. Number 3 is being fully electric and being made of carbon fibre. This car is super light and super nippy, fun and fast to drive. I really enjoyed my week with the BMW i3S. To see the full review, go to BabyDrive.com.au.